Hi guys, so it's often been asked, can I turn Warhammer 40k figures into sprues? Just for when you run out of sprues and you want to make some more. I thought, hey, why not? Let's give it a go. So the first thing we need to do is obviously to get a nice glass bottle and then get hold of some acetone. In this case I'm using some nail polish remover, and then obviously get hold of a load of figures that you want to melt. So in this case I'm using orcs, because as we all know I don't really like orcs that much. So yeah, I generally start off by pouring about half the liquid in the bottle, so it's about halfway up I guess. Make sure we don't spill any or get any on our skin or anything. Not that this stuff is too bad for you. And then we get our figures. As I say, I don't really like orcs, so yeah, we'll chuck these guys in. And there we go, we'll put a few in. No, we'll put the whole lot in. There we go, we'll just shove them all in. There we go, and once they're all in, we'll put the lid back on. Obviously, we don't want to be inhaling all the fumes, we don't want to be as high as a kite. So I'm going to speed up this next bit of footage, as obviously it takes a good 8 hours for the acetone to start dissolving the plastic. And there we go, we can already see that it's starting to dissolve. And then it's going to start turning to the good old ooey gooey spruey stuff, which I normally use to obviously make things with. I wanted to say a big thank you to all my patrons for helping support the channel. All your lovely names are down below. But here's the magical bit, if you actually leave it for another 8 hours, it actually starts to turn back into sprues, which is awesome. So keep watching guys, as you'll see it start to form back into those awesome sprues. And there we go, you can see it's getting bigger and bigger. And yeah, it's nearly done now. So hey, this is still speeded up footage guys, as it starts to take a good 8 hours. But you can clearly see it is turning back into sprues, which is awesome. And there we go, once it looks like it's fully done, I don't think they're going to change any more now. So yeah, we can take these out and we can have a look and see just how well they've come out. So yeah, they're all nice and fully firm now. Let's just try and grab them all out in one go if I can. Yep, there we go. And yeah, look, loads of sprues, and they've still got nibbly knobbly bits on, which is awesome. And then we can just use these for whatever we need to use them for, basically. So there you go, turning Warhammer 40k figures into sprues. Job done. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Don't forget to give this a go yourselves. Nah, obviously not really. Don't put figures in acetone, guys, as obviously they will melt and dissolve. As you can clearly see, these are the original orcs, and there's no way I would try any kind of experiment like this using orcs, as I love orcs. So this was just a bit of fun guys, don't try this at home, and that's it. Bye for now.